What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 2018 iPad Pro and see if it's still worth it in 2020. So this is the 2018 iPad Pro. I did purchase this in 2019. If you haven't seen my previous unboxing, go watch that video. But this is the 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch. And trying to see, is this still worth it to have in 2020? I say yes, it still is. You know, Apple has released the 2020 iPad Pro. And if you have the 2018, you really don't need to upgrade because they're basically the same thing. Only thing that's changed was they gave you 2 cameras and you got that little sensor thing for more to do better AR. If you play AR games or if you want to measure some stuff for AR, and you got a little faster processor, but mostly everything else still the same. So, and half the time I doubt you're not gonna go out and record something with your phone. I mean, with your camera. You know, that's what you got the phone for. So, you know, you might want to get some, some shots. Maybe if you want to see, I will try something, try a little cinematic video or something on an iPad. If you want to see that, give this video a like. Meantime, you know, the 2018 iPad Pro is still good. This one still works for me. I still use this sometimes to edit with Lumafusion, or I might use the MacBook Pro, which I do have sitting over there. But in the meantime, you know, got the, still quick operating system. You know, you can still do everything. You still got Face ID. The camera quality is still good on this iPad Pro. So after being 2 years, I still say, you know, if you have the 2018 model, stay with the 2018 unless you want to, spend that extra cheese to upgrade for the 2020. Because I did comparison. This is a 256 gigabyte. Apple upgraded the gigs, the storage compatibility. So there's no more 64. It starts off at 128. 256 to me, that's perfect. I still ain't even fill this up. So I'm not really tripping. I don't really store videos or stuff on here. That's why I transfer them to another app called Google Photos. If you want to want a video on how I do that, just leave a like on this video or leave a comment down in the comment section. This 2018 iPad Pro, still great. You can watch movies on here. Me, I spend most of my time watching YouTube videos and checking new YouTube videos and stuff like that, and just going back there. If you haven't already, I'll be checking a lot of stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already. I use my iPad for a whole lot. You can check your YouTube analytics, stuff like that. You can edit photos, edit videos, watch it. It's nice to carry. I do have Apple Pencil. You just attach it to the side. Still works. Watch Disney movies. Anything on here. So I don't have the folio case for it, where the keyboard. I might get the new one that Apple did announce. I do want that, and that does work with the 2018 one with the trackpad. Because now with iPadOS 13.4, you can use mouse support and trackpad support. So with the iPad, which I got another video coming out tomorrow, test out something. So come back tomorrow if you want to see. I'm going to actually see if I can get the iPad to work with my Pro controller. So you might not want to miss that. So come back tomorrow and check out the video. But here's my case that I usually carry for it. It's a little dock stand case. Just place the iPad inside like that. I don't really need no keyboard because I don't really do that much typing on here. But to answer your question, is the 2018 iPad Pro still worth it in 2020? Yes. Camera quality still good. I can take a picture of y'all if I really wanted to. So there's the picture right there. Still get video, slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait. If you want to do that, you can, with the FaceTime camera. Only on the new one, you get it on the back camera, but this one is only on the FaceTime camera, which is fine to me, but I don't really use my iPad to take no pictures. I got my phone to do all that. 2018 iPad Pro, still worth it in 2020, yes. So if you have this, just go ahead and stay this. Don't even waste your time spending extra money for the new iPad. You don't even have to. But if you have like an older iPad, then I say I advise you to upgrade. If you did enjoy this video, you want to see anything else, come back tomorrow. Just press believe, because I got a little something I want to try out with that. Like this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. On our way to 700 subscribers. And this your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. I'm signing out here. God bless everybody. Be safe, and I'm signing out. Peace.
I can feel the change. This new power got me lost, but I aim to tame it. Yeah, I'm wanting me some more. I don't think I made it till I'm sitting on a star. Can I ask a question? Did you think that I would fall? Talk about angel this, but he not talking facts.